We are studying Hasbar 7-9. We're in Masechta Kedushin, Perek Rishon, the first Perek called Ha'isha Niknes, and we're at Daf Lamed Aleph, and we're going to start 21 lines from the top. Call from earlier Hasbar 7-8 that a Ben Almana, the son of a widow, was speaking to his Rabbi Yeshua and asking him the question, what happens if my mother and father simultaneously ask me for water? Who do I serve first? So now the student puts a little twist to the question. We start with the word Amar Lo, Rebbe. The student says to his Rebbe, which is Rabbi Yoshua, Nigrasha Mahu. If my parents are divorced, Mahu, who would I serve first? If my parents are divorced, Nigrasha, and they both ask me simultaneously, please get me water to drink, Mahu, what's the halacha? Who goes first? Amar Le. Rabbi Yeshua responds to him, Mi ben risei einayich. I can see from your eyelids, from your eyelashes, which are thinned out. And why are they thinned out? Because he had been crying and lost many of his eyelashes. Nikar, it seems to me, it's obvious to me, sheben almana ata, that you really are not a child of a divorced family, but you are the child of a family that lost their father. So he says to him, Hatel lehen mayim, gather some water, b'seifal, in a pitcher, and karke lehen tarnagolin, and call to your parents like you would to chickens. You know, when they feed chickens, they kind of say, yeah, chicky, chicky, chicky. They somehow, karke is, the English would be squawk. And if you know anything about chickens, I don't know that much, but if you watch a video of feeding chickens, they don't all line up in a nice straight row and they go one at a time. It's a first come, first serve frenzy. So here too, he was saying to him in a sarcastic way, it doesn't make a difference who you serve first, either your mother or your father. The discretion's up to you, and that's the halacha. But what's interesting is, why did he answer him in seemingly a sarcastic way? So it could be that the student was embarrassed because he was thinking that since we learned earlier that a father has priority when it comes to kibbud av v'em over the mother because the mother has to also give kavod to the father, the student perhaps mistakenly thought that the only reason he has to do kavod, serve his mother, is only because there's a father involved. But if the father is not in the picture, maybe there's no mitzvah of kibbud av v'em for his mother. There's no mitzvah of kibbud aim because the father's not around. So Rabbi Yeshua seems to make the point to him. He said, it's a silly question. It doesn't make a difference. If your parents are divorced, you serve whoever you want first. And in the case where you only have a mother, not a father, you have to serve your mother. No question about it. Anyway, please do the Hasbar, and don't forget to summarize.